so you can see here. And this is by machine. It's a horrible, just don't like it. Look at this, how beautiful. So I bought wool. It's a 20% wool and 80% acrylic. Very fine decay, which looks like foreplay. So that is so neat. So it's from company James Brett. I tried to do this on my brother knitting machine, and I did start it like 3 times. I don't like ribbing on the knitting machine, and even though I've got this is beautiful, and even though I've got ribbing machine for ribbing, I just never use. Seriously, I waste money for this ribbing machine. This is what I made. It looks gorgeous. I love it, and in touch it's absolutely amazing. I love it, but I don't like this ribbing. So I try to do ribbing the same way like I showed before on LK 150 knitting machine, and on brother machine it's not working, and it's crap. I don't like it, so I take it out and I'm gonna make by hand. I'm really a little bit disappointed because I really like the ribbing. Is fine. Looks all these holes, I just hate them. They look awful, don't they? Horrible. But the print is coming so nice, and I love it. It's, oh, and in touch is so soft and nice. So it is from company James Brett. I really recommending. So this is these balls, and they've got all different colors. They've got white with pink, I think, and a red, and green, and some all different colors. So here we go. I really recommended this yarn, and it's 20% wool and 80% acrylic, and it's so fluffy. So on this brother knitting machine, when I'm knitting, a little bit catching this hair, but it's fine. You just keep going with the carriage, and I'm pulling down, and all is alright. But yeah, I love this yarn. Seriously, it's so good and really recommending. And for autumn time, it's absolutely perfect. Oh, and one more thing I forgot to guys show you. I designed one of mosaic crochet. So I designed like this print, and I really like it. Seriously, it's so nice. And that is a mosaic crochet, but these patterns we can use on knitting machine. And this is what I started. So that I'm making blanket, and I love it. This is so nice. So you guys, you can see, soon not gonna be big blanket. I love it. It's for single person, and I did put 180 stitches, I think. Yeah. So that is what is coming soon. I need to make a little bit more so I can show you guys how that looks like. And yeah, and the next I'm gonna make the same but in white and black color. That will be a present for one of my clients' mom, and she always see me knitting or crocheting, and she always say, "Oh, Thomas, can you make for me one blanket?" So I decided I'm gonna give her my print, this design, but it will be black and white. But that will be a present for Christmas time. I hope I'm gonna make it because I'm so busy at the moment. The ribbing I have decided to make by hand because I don't like this, and I don't like the holes, and it's double, and this is nice and thin, and that's need to be changed. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my ribbing, and it will be 2 pearls and 2 knits, and this is the way how I put cast on. That is quite thin, so when I count stitches, I need to have 174 stitches for this brother knitting machine. So it's plenty of stitches. So what I do like this, and then catching here, and this is a stitch, and then this finger like this. So when you're holding like this thread, you're catching this one from this side, and then this side, and then we've got a loop. So this is how I learned from my grandmother. She showed me how to do it, and I always making the same way. Usually I'm putting two like this, yeah, and I'm making it on two together, and then I'm taking out this. But because I've got 173 stitches, I decided to just this way, and still will be fine. So this is how I do cast on by hand. So 174 stitches, quite a lot. See you later then at 174. So finally I've got 174 stitches, and then now I'm starting my ribbing. I do first take off the one stitch. I never knit first stitch ever. This is what I learned, and the edge, it will be straight and not stretched. So this is how I do my knits. Put in here like this, and now we've got two pearls. A little bit tricky with the single needles, so I'm making two, so I'm making the continental style knitting. The yarn is very fine, seriously, it's like a foreplay. Alright, so I'm gonna show you later my ribbing. That will be a long and big job. So now guys, you can see the difference. So this is by hand, how nice and soft, and I just love it. So you can see here, and this is by machine, and it's never even not the holes, it's just even this ribbing. It's a horrible, just don't like it. And this is if I'm gonna put here. Look at this, how beautiful. Completely different jumper. Not that. This is seriously. I just noticed I don't like ribbing on the knitting machine, and even though I've got this is beautiful, and even though I've got ribbing machine for ribbing, I just never use. Seriously, I waste money for this ribbing machine, and it's just awful, and it's actually making it worse than this, and it's stiff. Even though when I put four ply and I put tension very loose, it was coming still very stiff, and I hate it. But this one is just by hand is absolutely amazing. And this is where I post you again. Look at this, beautiful. So here we go. This is I prepared to put on this my brother knitting machine. I've got a standard knitting machine, and I'm gonna make it a jumper. So then I think next week I might publish this video how I made jumper and how it look like. I hope I'm gonna finish next week. See you guys. Bye.